Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale bankruptcy law with Upsolve, full guide step by step clearly. To scale bankruptcy law practices using Upsolve, begin by understanding the platform's capabilities. Explore the benefits of utilizing Upsolve for your law practice. Familiarize yourself with the free online tool designed for low-income individuals facing bankruptcy. Set up your account on Upsolve to access its features effectively. Review the educational resources available on the Upsolve website. Identify the intake process for clients seeking bankruptcy help. Start using Upsolve to assist clients with Chapter 7 bankruptcy filings. Incorporate client intake forms to streamline your process. Allocate time to guide clients through the Upsolve platform as they complete their applications. Encourage clients to utilize the various resources and FAQs offered on Upsolve for self-help. Monitor the progress of each client's application through your dashboard. Provide personalized support by answering any questions they may have during the process. Stay updated on bankruptcy law changes to ensure accurate advice for your clients. Leverage Upsolve's data reporting tools to analyze client outcomes. Use this data to optimize your services and improve client satisfaction. Engage in networking within bankruptcy law communities to share experiences and learn best practices. Consider webinars or workshops to educate the public about bankruptcy options through Upsolve. Cultivate partnerships with community organizations that may refer clients to your practice. Explore additional features of Upsolve, such as the integration of legal advice and document preparation. Evaluate client feedback to refine your use of Upsolve in your practice. Regularly review your firm's performance metrics related to bankruptcy cases processed through Upsolve. Keep an open line of communication with Upsolve's support team for any technical assistance. Adjust your workflow as necessary to maximize efficiency and client success. Continue to promote the value of Upsolve in providing accessible legal assistance to your potential clients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.